Hi all, it's been a while since I made a video, mostly because my camera broke, and so now I'm doing a sort of makeshift way of taking a video. So if the video is more wobbly than normal, that's why. Today I do not have a tank video, first one. I'm not doing a tank in a while. Instead I'm doing a little ship here. This is a model of the Fletcher, at least a Fletcher class. At this scale, it's obviously hard to get all the details in, but these are the guns. Much larger than in scale, but I guess the smallest gun-looking piece I could find in Lego. This is a rather complex build, so it has a lot of weird angled pieces. So if you don't have all of it, that's probably why. It took me a while to build it, but yeah, well, let's build it. Alright, here are the parts for the Fletcher. We've got two of these weird little, I don't know what they are, bricks. With studs basically all the way on all sides except this one side which has a tube. You need two of those. Color is not important. This, which is a 1x1 with side studs all over the place. You're going to need a 1x1 with a hole in it. Preferably a gray piece, but a 1x1 with two side studs, a headlight brick, five, doesn't really matter as long as they're grayish, or gray preferably, any type of gray, a cone, 1x1 cone, not cone, cylinder, 5 antennas, 3 1x1 plates, preferably a 1x2 tile, but you could also do this drill piece, which is all I had. Two of these 1x2 arch curves. Another 1x1, which is preferably gray, or actually I don't think it matters, to tell you the truth. A 1x1 tile, a 1x2 brick with side studs, 4 1x4 gray tiles, 4 1x2 gray jumper plates, a 1x1 gray plate, 1x4, 2 1x6 gray plates, 2 1x6 gray tiles, a 2x4 plate, and 3 1x3 plates. Alright, now let's build it. Let's start building this thing. So we're going to take our 1x2 here with side studs. We're going to attach our curves plates to it. Then we're going to take our weird looking brick here, take our headlight brick, stick the back of the headlight brick onto the back stud like that. Then we're going to take a 1x1, doesn't matter if it's a plate or a tile. We're just going to stack two of them on like that. A drill on the front here. And we're going to place them like this. We're going to grab a 1x4 and we're going to attach them to that 1x4. Like so. Then we're going to take another 1x4 and put it on the other side. Like this. Okay. Then we're going to take our one 1x3 first. On the side. Take another one of these bricks. And then our other 1x3. And then we're going to get our other 1x6 here. Put it on there. Grab our 1x6 tile. On the side like that. Okay. Then we're going to take this. And we're going to get a set. We're going to take this and we're going to put this on like that, okay? And we're going to attach it to, actually we'll probably have to take this off first to get this on. So we're going to put this on like that. Then we're going to put this on. So get this on. Okay. Come on, come on. Okay, this is not liking me today. Alright, well, I'm doing this wrong here. You're going to put it on the top. That's why it's not working. Okay. Put it on the top, and then it should attach. Or not. Maybe I'm just messing this all up. It's just not my day. Just not my day. Alright, here we go. I was right the first time, apparently. We'll take this brick here, and then this one. I'm putting this backwards, my bad. Here. And then we're going to take our end piece, and we're just going to attach it to here, like that. And then we're going to attach it. Okay. There you go. And then we're going to attach, where's the other 1x6? There we go. Okay. Sorry for the confusion there, guys. Hopefully this helps. Then we're going to take our 1x6s. Okay, that just happened. Well, get your other 1x6. Mine fell to oblivion. And since the camera is on my neck, I can't really reach down unless I shake the whole world. So, I'll get that later. Put on the 1x4s in the back here. Okay, and your 1x6 here. And then goes the next part, and I'll take that in the next video. Alright, now we're going to build the superstructure. So we're going to take your 2x4, and we're going to place all of these jumper plates on top. And then you're going to take a gun, place it on the front one, like that. And then you're going to take your two 1x1s. And you're going to take a 1x1 and put it on top. I'll go on the second jumper plate. And then you're going to take one of our smokestacks here. I'll make a smokestack. You're going to take a, oh, I forgot to mention these. You need a 1x1 antenna without the antenna part, if that makes sense. And then you're going to put that behind the little hunting tower there. And then you're going to take a 1x1 dark gray or just normal gray tile. You're going to take that and you're going to put it, this is, you're going to put on these three, okay? So we're going to put it right there, okay? Then you take a your last 1x1, I mean not 1x3, place it right there, move the antenna back, place a gun right there. Okay. Then you're going to take all your, oh my goodness, what did I do wrong here? I'm missing a piece now. Oh, there it is, it's under my thumb. Okay. You're going to take your 1x4 and you're going to place it, again, this is on these internal circle things. You're going to place it on top of the piece there. You're going to take one antenna, put another antenna underneath that, or gun, as they are now. Take another one and place it facing the other direction, and just sort of push it out that way. Then you're going to take your two 1x1s left over. And I actually switched the smokestacks around, my bad. I'm going to put this smokestack here, and this smokestack here, like that. And then you're going to take your last 1x1 gray, put it there. Okay, so if this video was confusing, I'm sorry. It's been a while, and this isn't the most easier to remember build. I also did build it a while ago. So, sorry if I wasn't as clear and concise as I normally am. But yeah, I am thinking of doing a World of Warships gaming channel, because I do play World of Warships on my computer quite a bit. So I'm not like some pro or anything, but I'm pretty decent. So I'm thinking about that. If you guys think I should, go ahead and say so in the comments. If you guys want me to start making some warships, I may not, because these are not easy to build. Ships are such weird angles. But if you want to shoot out an idea, I might look at it, see if it's possible. What else? Yeah. I may do some more tanks. I know those have been popular. So, yeah. Life is more busy now, but I should be able to get some out every now and then. So, thanks for watching, and subscribe.